My name is Florent Gatin. I am the co-founder and CEO of Crosnest. Crosnest is a validator company. What we do basically is provide blockchain infrastructure. Our main activity is validating blocks. And our mission is actually to provide reliable and secure infrastructures, both for our delegators, but also for other partners that we have. Our biggest challenge as a validator is to maintain our infrastructure. We have more than 50 validators on 50 different chains. Actually, we have a bit more because of the testnet, so probably closer to 60. We also have to maintain more than 12 validators for our partners. So that requires, of course, a lot of other monitoring, a lot of updates for other different chains, making sure that everything is works fine. So that's of course requires a lot of time. We first discovered KYVE while I think we faced the challenge that everyone will probably face while interacting with blockchain, which is accessing historical data. I'm sure that you know that it is very hard to access historical data. You often have to run archive nodes, which require you to have a very big database, often more than tens of terabytes. So that's actually when we found out that with KYVE we could access this historical data in an easier way. And that's where our team actually started to use KYVE. As Crosnest, we are both a protocol validator and a consensus validator. We also use KYVE pretty often actually on a day-to-day basis because as a validator we have probably more than 250 nodes that run, and we have quite often databases that get corrupted. That's when we can actually use casing and quickly actually get a validator up and running from Genesis. So that's a thing that we use pretty often. Like another way that we use KYVE is actually for accounting. We incorporated our company in 2022, and in the Netherlands you can choose for like an extended book year. It's very technical, but anyway, it means that only now we actually have to do other financial reports for 2022 and 2023, which means that we need to actually access all the rewards and all the commissions that we got as a validator all the way to July 2022. So this is actually a way that we have been using KYVE. So I am hoping that KYVE will actually be soon available on other blockchains that we validate on, because that will make our life easier. I think that casing can accelerate just getting a node up and running from scratch. So instead of having to find a snapshot, which is often out of date, or which often just doesn't run all the way to the current block, people can just use casing and then accelerate their needs. The first thing that struck me with KYVE was the clarity of the message. It's a problem, of course, that we face as a company, and I think that a lot of other users also face. And it was actually nice to be able to find KYVE easily and to be able to understand what KYVE does easily. Another thing is, we have been collaborating with KYVE quite a bit. I think we are one of the top protocol validator. And we have, of course, been interacting quite a bit with the KYVE team. And the KYVE team is, I would say, both nice in a way, but also professional. We have been able to very quickly get things done. We have been asked quite often to give some feedback on new features or whatever, and we feel that our feedback is often taken into account and actually going into production. So that's really nice to see. I'm hoping that we can help KYVE actually scale or deploy to new blockchains. Yeah, both of course as a consensus, but especially as a protocol validator. And yeah, the thing I might ask is that you guys enable KYVE as a payment on the KYVE protocol. I think it would be cool. It's a thing that we look forward to the most.